For over 30 years, the industrial, commercial, agricultural, and farm industries in Southern Alberta have come to rely on Southern Rewind for electrical equipment sales and service. Beginning with a staff of 1 in 1982, Southern Rewind has grown to 19 employees and 2 locations. In 1998, a 5,000 square foot office and shop was opened in Medicine Hat to service clients in southeastern Alberta and southwestern Saskatchewan. In 2001, the Lethbridge operation moved into the former UFA Co-op building on 2nd Avenue North. This allowed Southern Rewind to expand their parts, service, storage, yard area, and parking in order to better service their clients. In 2014, Southern Rewind's Lethbridge operation expanded their shop by 8,000 square feet. Part of the expansion included the addition of a 5-ton and 10-ton cranes. Southern Rewind provides sales and service of AC and DC electric motors, variable speed drives, electric generators, domestic water and sewage pumps, irrigation pumps and motors, water system accessories including pressure tanks, switches, check valves and pipe, right angle and inline gearboxes, transformers, AC and DC motor controls and accessories. Additional services provided are dynamic balancing and machine shop services. Southern Rewind also repairs and services turbine and centrifugal pumps. Southern Rewind are authorized dealers and can provide authorized factory warranty service for Balder, WEG, Lincoln, Marathon, Leeson, General Electric, Newman, U.S. Electric, Toshiba, and Tico Westinghouse, as well as Armstrong Gould and Grundfos pumps. They have one of the most advanced service departments, using up-to-date equipment that can diagnose your electrical and mechanical problems. Their skilled technicians can repair and rebuild motors up to 5,000 horsepower. All motors received for repair are first inspected for broken or missing external parts. They are then surge tested to determine the condition of the windings. If the windings test okay, the parts are cleaned and necessary mechanical repairs such as bearing replacement, end bell repair, or shaft repair are made if required. Should the windings fail the surge or high potential test, a rewind is required. The motor is stripped to enable the windings to be removed. After cutting off one end of the winding, the stator is placed in a temperature-controlled burnout oven to burn off the varnish that insulates the windings. To prevent damage to the stator, the temperature is slowly raised to a maximum of 750 degrees Fahrenheit and held for the required burnout time. After a cool-down period, all pertinent data from the windings is recorded, such as the number of turns, the size and number of wires in the winding, and the internal connections. The copper wire is then removed for recycling, and the laminations in the stator are inspected for damage and repaired if required. New insulation is then installed into the slots of the stator. New coils are made using Southern Rewind's somatic winding machine. This machine ensures that all windings are uniform and to the correct specifications, eliminating the possibility of human error that can occur using other winding methods. The coils are inserted into the stator with great care being taken not to scratch or damage any of the wires in the coil. Once the wire coils have been inserted into the stator, the individual coils are reconnected in a pattern determined by the data recorded previously. Next, the stator is tested using the surge comparison tester. It's tested for turn-to-turn shorts, incorrect connections, poorly welded joints or ripped insulation. When it has passed all tests, it's placed into a vessel containing polyester resin. A vacuum is created in the tank to ensure the varnish penetrates the windings completely. From here, the stator is moved to the baking oven to cure the varnish, then reassembled, surge tested again, run tested at its rated voltage, and finally repainted for delivery to the customer. All rewound motors have a 1-year warranty. Over the years, Southern Rewind has rebuilt motors damaged by fire and flood, returning them good as new to their clients. Southern Rewind is a member of the Electrical Apparatus Service Association. As an association member, they have access to association electrical engineers who can provide redesign assistance to their technicians as well as solutions to the problems that they may not previously had exposure to. Welding equipment is also repaired at Southern Rewind. After servicing, welders are load tested to ensure they're operating correctly before being returned to the customer. Southern Rewind are also certified to repair explosion-proof motors. Electrical equipment is vital to many industrial and agricultural applications. Because equipment failure can occur at any time, day or night, Southern Rewind provides 24-hour emergency service. Southern Rewind, electrical equipment sales and service, serving the needs of Southern Alberta.